Welcome back to my channel. It's finally time for a new floor work tutorial. I'm super excited for this one. It is suitable for beginners but also for advanced. If you just want to play around with this tutorial, then definitely go for it. I recommend you to wear knee pads if you want to, because you know, sometimes the knees get a little bit sore and you want to protect them. I'm not wearing knee pads today, but I'm wearing my thigh-high patent boots, and that's because of my carpet. The carpet is usually really grippy, which makes it so hard to dance on the floor. And this material allows me to slide along the floor easily without getting stuck the whole time. So that is a tip for you. If you also have a carpet, then that would definitely work for you. You can also wear knee pads underneath if you want a little bit of extra protection. All right, so I hope that you're already warmed up so we can go straight into the tutorial. I'm gonna be your mirror today. So just copy what I do, and if you see that I move my left leg, then it's your right leg. So it's the opposite, but don't get confused by it. I will guide you through it. I love teaching floor work tutorials. It's just something special. You can do it without a pole, and it's so fun. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, so our starting position looks like this. Knees on the floor, hands on the floor, and now straighten the outside leg, the leg that is facing the camera right now. All right, so from here, and always think of pointed toes, that is super important, pointed toes. So from here, we go down with our upper body, and the straight leg follows us. It follows the movement. So we go down, leg comes up, we bend the leg, and now we slide the knee that's on the ground back. Slide like this, so we come down, hips meet the ground, and now we straighten the other leg. We push again, bring the bum up in the air, we sit back. From here we go forward and bring the knee that's further away from the camera. In my case, it's my left leg. We bring it forward like this and sit in like a pigeon position. Let's do this again from the start. Starting position, straighten the leg, and also it looks nicer if you arch your back. You don't want to be like this. Arch your back, bum comes up, and from here we lower the upper body down, straight leg comes up, we bend the leg, and we slide down, hips to the ground, straighten both legs, push, sit back, and straight forward again. Bring your inside knee forward and go into a pigeon position. And now I sit on my butt cheek, to be blunt. I sit on my butt cheek, so I'm not here like this. I kind of let myself drop back. This is important for the next move, because from here what we do is we bring the straight leg forward and we use our arm to guide it. So we guide the leg to the other side and we pull. So from a straight leg we go into this position. We bend the leg, and then what we do is we straighten it again, come around and bend it. So now we are in a diamond shape. All right, let's do that again. So we start from the pigeon position. From here, touch your leg, guide the leg forward, straight, bend, straight, back to the normal position, and bend the leg like this. So now we have this beautiful diamond shape. Rest your hand on your knee and push into your knee and bring your hips up like this, up and down. Beautiful. Let's go from the start again, because we all need to connect each movement, and the more we do it, the easier it will become. Starting position, reverse push-up, bring the legs up, bend it, slide the knee down, straighten both legs, push, sit back, go forward, bring the inside leg. There was a truck going past. Bring the inside leg forward, sit on your cheek, on your butt cheek, and now guide the straight leg forward, bend, push, and around. Diamond shape. Bring the hips up and down. So from here, this leg that's on the ground, bend, goes this way, and we straighten it. Straight. This leg goes down, straightens as well, and you put the leg on top. It's important that it's not beside it. Bring it on top of the other, come down, back up. From here, we roll towards the camera. Hand on the ground. We roll, roll, roll onto our stomach. And from here, what we do is we bring both legs up like this in a bent position, and you slide the knees along the ground and you bring them closer to your chest. So from here, push into the ground and now draw the knees towards your chest. And also the legs open in that moment. Slide and open the legs. And then sit back. All right, we're almost there. From here, hand to the ground and the other hand goes up and your body follows. So you go up, go into a back bend, come back down. Okay, so hand, other hand, come up, sit back down, bring both hands in front of you. And now bring your ear to the ground like this. And you keep most of the weight onto your hands and not on your face and neck. So the hands bear most of the weight. And now bring your bum even up higher in the air and straighten both legs like this. You bring them up and then you slowly slide down all the way. Push and go into a cobra position. All right, so let's go from here again. Hand, go into a back bend, come down, both hands on the ground in front of you. Head down, push up, bring the bum in the air, and slowly slide down. Cobra position. If you want, you can bring one leg up like this. And that is it for now, for the choreography. And now we have to put it all together. I hope you're ready. So because I want you to be able to learn this choreography and to, get the best results. So feel free to leave feedback down below if it's too fast, too quick, too easy, too hard. All right, let's put it all together. Starting position. Straight leg, here we go. Down, bend the leg, slide, straight legs, push up, sit back, come forward, knee bend, pigeon position from here. Guide the straight leg to the front, bend, straight, around, diamond shape, bring the hips up and down, straight. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot my own choreography. From here, straighten the leg that's on the bottom, straight, bring the other knee closer, straighten the leg, put it on top of the other, down, back up, hand, roll. Bend the knees, push into the ground, slide the knees closer to your chest, sit back up, hand, come up, back bend, down, hand, face to the ground, and now bring that bum up and slowly slide back. Cobra, and if you want, bend one leg. And here we are. So once you learn the choreography, you can dance this as fast or as slowly as you want. It really depends on the type of music that you choose. Sometimes I feel like that slower makes it, more sensual. I personally love to dance to metal music, rock music, and so on. But still, you don't have to go fast. It's really up to you. But yeah, let's go through it one more time and then we do it with music. Okay. And down, slide, straight legs. Push up, sit, come forward, bend the leg, pigeon pose, guide the leg, bend, straight, around, diamond shape. Bring that hip up, bring those hips up. English is not easy. Straighten the bottom leg and knees together, put leg on top, down, up, hand, roll, knees, sit up, hand behind you, back bend, come down, hands, ear to the ground, bring that bum up and slide back. Bend the leg, cobra pose, and we are here. Alrighty, let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woohoo! How did you go? I hope you could follow. I don't know why, but I just love floor work. It's so much fun, and I love coming up with these kind of routines. So I know that some of you don't have much space, but to be honest, I don't have much space here either, but the camera angle I film with is 0.5, so everything looks a lot bigger than it is here on camera, and sometimes it looks a little bit distorted, and I look a little bit distorted, but I also make it work with the space that I have. So I think this way I have 3 meters 20, and this way to the camera is probably just 2 meters, if not less. So I also make it work, and I really hope that you were able to follow along with this tutorial. As I said, leave feedback down below, that's always welcome. And if you couldn't get it this time, maybe start again from the top. You can always pause this video or work on parts of the choreography. And sometimes it's also good to kind of come back the next day, just sleep one night, and then try the next day, and it's kind of already, you know, in your brain. And that helps me sometimes. Thank you so much. If you want to support my work, check out my Ko-fi page, check out my Instagram, and also if you want to use my code for Paradise, that's Sandra, and you get 10% off. Thank you so much for your support. I see you in the next video.